I don't know about you guys, but a lot of West Michigan is seeing red, and this is why today, because of so many cancellation flights that are happening here at the Gerald R. International Airport. So many flights, in fact, they officially canceled the 4 last flights remaining between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock today. So now literally I can physically walk backwards. I don't even have to look to see where I'm going because it is empty here at the Ford Airport. Really sad news for all those people who really wanted to go see their families or get away to someplace warm for the holidays. But the good news is that they still are safe. Some of these flights have been rebooked for tomorrow. That is weather pending, of course. And earlier today, we were able to talk to some of those lucky passengers who were able to fly in and land here before the storm. How are you feeling?
So tired.
It was planes, trains, and automobiles for Masaki Hiratani.
His Vancouver flight was canceled, so we put him in the bus. And that takes normally 5 hours or so. And what happened was his bus got in an accident.
As this foreign exchange student spent the past 4 days navigating the busy airports and multiple international flight cancellations, all to get back to Grand Rapids.
During the transit on the bus, his flight from Vancouver, Seattle, Detroit to Grand Rapids were canceled.
Hiratani's story is just one of many long travel sagas, with nearly 4,000 flights canceled nationwide this week. Ford Airport is also seeing red and experiencing similar travel aches as dozens of both departing and incoming flights were canceled today.
I looked at the boards, lots of canceled signs. That was made me pretty nervous.
For Jewel Bollinger, her flight from Philly was just one of a very few that successfully arrived in West Michigan, which made her father, James, even happier to see her.
Just kind of had an optimistic vibe about it, and I said, you know what, I'm going to be the one that makes it, and here I am.
They arrived to a quiet airport and loved ones who are counting their blessings this holiday week. So a quiet airport indeed. Again, not really anyone here left, just basically security. And if you take a look at the TSA gates, we were chatting with TSA all day long. We've made friends with everyone that is here, and we're here today. They closed their gates about 20 minutes ago again. Just another sign of how truly empty this airport is after that last flight was canceled around, I would say 4:45 this afternoon. There was no reason for them to be here. I'm Megan Bunchman live at the Gerald R. International Airport. News 8.